Just sell the cars. It will be so easy if you know how. How long have you been here? I'm not in the business of B2B or B2C selling. I'm in the business of H to H, human to human selling. And that's a big thing that you need to remember when working as a car salesperson. The people you'll be selling to are normal humans just like you. They aren't some kind of test for you to overcome or people placed there to try and beat. These are normal people just like you and me. But they have an interest in changing their car. Once we can focus on the human to human selling tactics, that's when we become truly good salespeople. So stick around, watch the rest of this video if you're thinking of joining or you're already in the automotive industry, and I'll give you some key car sales training lessons that will help you sell more cars more consistently. Hi, my name is Sotiris and welcome to my channel. I sold cars in main dealer brands for over 6 years before transitioning to digital sales trainings for dealership. And today I'd like to teach you some key areas of car sales that will make you a better salesperson. First of all, as mentioned previously, you're dealing with real people with real emotions. So your ability to relate to them, build rapport with them, and generally become someone they feel they can trust is vital in this role. Psychology is a really valuable skill here, and I've actually put a link in the description to something that completely transformed the way I looked at building relationships with strangers and how I was selling cars. Because people don't buy from people as we were so taught. People buy from people they feel like they know or can trust. So establishing that rapport early on will change the way you're able to sell. This could be simple tricks like mirroring or utilizing eye contact, but whatever it is, don't think about the sale as much as you think about the relationship you're trying to build. Next thing to think about is how people are interacting in their daily lives and how we can politely infiltrate that. It sounds extreme, but hear me out. 20 years ago, people loved getting emails and phone calls. I know, what the hell was wrong with them? And they would generally answer them right away with some level of enthusiasm. Now, if someone rings us, even if it's a close friend, we wonder what the hell they're thinking, and we'll generally wait until the phone stopped and we'll just end up texting them. Although this may sound like we've lost our ability to communicate or sustain any sort of relationship, it's actually that we've just evolved and developed. We have technologies and ways of communicating that we're more comfortable using now, so that's how we like it. So why then would we try and sell cars like it's 20 years ago? Well, we shouldn't. Yes, you're still going to need good telephone manners and a drive to chase customers via email, but why not text them? If we know that today's customers prefer that type of contact, let's meet them where they are. All customers today spend more time researching videos on YouTube to find out about a car rather than inquiring about it and asking questions. So, we should focus more of our attention on providing valuable video content for them. Imagine it like this. You're looking to buy a house. You've seen one you like online via the pictures and wonder about scheduling a viewing. However, your schedule is so busy that you actually don't think you're going to even have a chance to see it before it's gone. So you just accept that it's going to go. You don't bother inquiring. In this example, you're ready to dismiss that house from your selection. However, the estate agent has created you a bespoke video, walking you around each of the rooms in the house, and is showing you all the areas you'd want to see if you were there in person. This simple video can instantly put your mind at ease and make you confident enough to place an offer. The same applies for car sales. We have a product that most people want to think about or experience before committing to, which can cause potential barriers and potential objections. But by utilizing video, something today's customers enjoy consuming, well, we're able to address those issues remotely, give them an experience and help them move forward with their decision. These are just two of the fundamentals that we should be thinking about as salespeople in today's world. So again, if you're a salesperson or looking to join the industry, think proactively and embrace the world we're living in, because that's the same world your customers are in as well. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the thing that completely changed my perspective and skill set around selling cars. And if you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. I've been Sotiris, and I'll catch you in another one.